So hello guys, how are you doing all? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda on your computer. So before you begin, just make sure you don't have Python installed on your computer, because Anaconda already comes with Python package. So we'll be installing Python on top of the Anaconda. Why do you need extra Python package from Anaconda? So the thing happens is here. So if you already install Python, the computer setups the environment according to that Python, not from Anaconda's Python. So for in the future, if you are programming, so if you want to import a matplotlib, you will be thrown an error with like no module named matplotlib found, because your environment is set up according to your default Python, not Anaconda's Python. The packages are on Anaconda's environment, so that's why either set the environment on Anaconda's Python with Anaconda's Python, otherwise uninstall default Python from your computer so that you don't get an error, no module found or no packages found computer. So that's why I recommend you to go with Anaconda's Python. So just search Anaconda on your Google or browser. Just make sure you don't go for wrong Anaconda. So go to anaconda.com. Yep, so download it from below, or you can click on here, download. So according to your PC configuration, download it. I'll go for 64-bit graphic installer. You should be downloading 3.7 version. I click on here, so it might take a time. It got 462 MB, so I have a patience. So I have downloaded it already on my computer, so I'll show you how to install it now. So click on next, agree. I'll just install for all users, so I'll go with all users and I'll click on next. So just make sure you don't click on this. Click on this, install. So it will take time to be installed, so have a patience. So anyways, it will be taking some time. I'm having a patience here. So alright guys, so it's been installed now. So I'm sure click on next and finish this. Alright, so let me quickly check. Here is the Jupyter notebook and Anaconda navigator. So all of the thing will be installed here. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe the channel for more tutorial videos like this.